Hello there! Welcome to Echoes of the Palace. This is a place for both men and women who want to better understand matters of the heart. We offer real knowledge to help you face the challenges that arise in your relationships. Our purpose is simple: to teach, to guide, to give you the understanding you need so that when difficulties come, you are ready to meet them. But allow us to share what happens behind each video we create. Every script begins with careful research. Our writers spend hours studying the works of experts and listening to the experiences of real people who have faced their own struggles. Only then does the writing begin in a digestible Regency era style storytelling, ensuring the educational value remains on high level. From there, our artists craft each animation by hand, bringing scenes to life in the style of Regency era. We search thoughtfully for footage that carries the grace and feeling our stories require. We conduct in-depth editing, matching each clip with the voiceover to ensure quality. And the voice you hear belongs to a real person, recording each word with care and sincerity. This is not content thrown together without thought. This is work created with intention. If you seek guidance through complexities of love, subscribe to Echoes of the Palace. Let us walk this path together.